Ranger Bone, and this is my sidekick Molly. Today we'll be learning about all these different animals, so stay tuned to find out all the animals in North Carolina. Venture to the coast. Now what kind of things do you think of when I say coast? Animals that I think of when I think of the coast are a seagull. I'm a seagull. I am a bird and I live at the ocean. I like to eat clams from the sea. Another animal that I think of that lives in the sea is... I'm the dolphin. I like to swim in the ocean with my family in a pod. I eat fish from the ocean. This animal that I think of that's my favorite is I'm the sea turtle. I like to live in the ocean and eat there, but I like to come onto land to have my babies. I'm an endangered species though. Across the state, we go into the Piedmont. And this is like where Charlotte and Raleigh and all of those cities are. So some of my favorite animals are...
I'm a squirrel, climber, and I like to bury acorns in the spring to eat them in the winter.
Another one of my favorite animals that lives in the Piedmont is
I'm a fox. I have a bushy tail. I live in a den. I'm also an omnivore. Do you know what an omnivore is?
Of them all that lives in the Piedmont is
I'm a doe.
I'm a buck.
The doe has spots in the spring. It flashes up its tail when it senses danger.
I'm a buck with antlers, and I mark trees to mark my territory.
I'm an herbivore. Do you know what an herbivore is?
Favorite area of North Carolina is the mountains. These have this area has some of my favorite animals. Some of my favorite include
a mountain lion, or other known as a cougar. I pee on trees to mark my territory, and I also live in them. I'm a carnivore, and I can also jump really high. Do you think Molly can jump high?
You know what a carnivore is?
This is another one.
I'm a trout. I swim upstream, opposite from my friends in the stream, and I eat insects in the water.
The animal we have is the
roar. I'm a black bear. I'm the smallest of all the species of bears that live around me, and I hibernate in the winter. What is hibernation?
Class, now that you know all of the animals, what animal is your favorite? Right, and now get your markers, get a piece of paper, and let's draw your favorite animal. Right, now at your table, I want you to talk to all of your friends about what makes your animal different from theirs. We've had fun, and we've learned so much about all these different animals, and I hope that you now have a new favorite animal. All right, we'll see you next time.